This is the second lesson of flared skirt pattern making. Hi, I'm Jin and welcome to Pattern Studio 101. I post pattern making tutorials every week. The videos are short and easy to digest. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss new lessons. I showed you 180-degree flared skirt and 360-degree flared skirt in the previous video, and we drafted 180-degree flared skirt. If you haven't watched it yet, I'm gonna put the link at the end of this video. The drafting of 180-degree flared skirt and 360-degree flared skirt are pretty much the same. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make patterns for 360-degree flared skirt quickly, and then we'll trace them out and add seam allowance. And one more thing I want to show you is that a flared skirt has a wide hem. It's very angled. So you cannot keep the same grain line on the whole skirt, which means the fabric can be stretched differently depending on where the grain line is. So the hemline might not be even. It might be up and down when you wear the skirt. So I'll show you how to fix that after we make patterns. Let's start 360-degree flared skirt pattern making. Draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. The corner must be 90 degrees. And find the point where your waistline should be. Remember, for the 360-degree flared skirt, the radius is your waist measurement divided by 6.28. From this point, measure the length with the radius. Then you can draw your waistline. From the waistline, measure your skirt length and draw the hemline. Keep 90 degrees on all the corners. This is your front skirt panel. Make sure the waist, it should be a quarter of your total waist measurement. Here's the center front, and this is the side seam. For the back skirt, go down 3/8 of an inch on the center back and revise the waistline. Measure your waist from the side seam along the revised line, 1/4 of your waist measurement. And draw the new center back line. So here we have the front and back. Front is blue and the back is red. Let's say you want to fold the center front and the center back, and we're going to have side seam. On the side seam, find 8 inches from the waist for the zipper. You need an opening, right? I'll make notches. I'm going to add 1/2 of an inch seam allowance on the waist and 1/2 of an inch to the side seam. Because this skirt hem is curved, if you want to do a single turn, I recommend 3/4 of an inch or 1/2 of an inch. Do not go with more than 3/4 of an inch seam allowance to the hem. If you want to do a double turn, 1/4 of an inch double turn, so you need 1/2 of an inch, or 3/8 of an inch double turn, then you need 3/4 of an inch. I'm gonna add 1/2 of an inch now. When you open the fold line, it's gonna be like this. And when you place the patterns on the fabric, you can do this. The side seam is on the straight grain, and the center front and center back is on the cross grain. If you cut this way, you see here's the bias line. Or you can place the center front and center back on the bias, and you see here's gonna be straight grain, these are cross grain. Depending on the fabric, your skirt hem might be perfectly okay, no matter where the straight grain is, where the bias is. Or the fabric stretched a lot, so you see the hemline is up and down. When you sew the skirt, you complete the skirt except skirt hem. Just don't stitch the skirt hemline. And then hang on the hanger like this for 2-3 days. Give it enough time to stretch. After that, put the skirt on a mannequin, or you wear it if you have someone who can help you. And measure the height from the floor to the skirt hem. So the highest length is, let's say, 18 inches. Then mark or pin 18 inches all the way around. You measure from the floor. And then cut and finish the hem. If you make the skirt with the same fabric, like more than one, then you might want to alter the pattern as well. But if you make same skirt with another fabric, then you don't have to change the patterns because it really depends on the fabric. Here's the previous video, 180-degree flared skirt pattern making. If you have any questions, comment below, and please click the like button if you like this video. Have a great week and see you next time.